Simona Halep has put forth the effort. There's no questioning she's put in the time as well. She takes the court today with a renewed sense of freedom. The pressure of her status as the top player in the game no longer in jeopardy. Not this week. And as the lone former champion remaining, she hopes quality execution of her signature quickness and determination will lead once more to the Final Four. Petra Martic feels good, really good. It hasn't always been this way. A prolonged and debilitating back injury left her helpless, contemplating retirement. Until 2018, that is. Currently in the midst of her best start to a season, making her believe now is her time.
There it is. Forehand inside out. I was talking about just taking a lead charge in this first game with any short balls. You can be assured that Halep's going to really try to go forward.
Magnificent and using the wind to her advantage.
Halep leads for
Swing and a miss as that floats up and over and good.
What a shot that was. So hard to hit a topspin launch. You'd any love in this weather condition with the wind. She tried to sneak in, but Halep's just too strong. She saw it and dig that one down her feet. That was the perfect play right here. She saw that Martic was coming in, and look what she gives her. The worst possible ball to hit.
Captain Simona has been absolutely perfect. And the sails are full, and she's out. She doesn't lose. She looks for her 18th win against one loss in 2018, a set away. And Halep loses more points in her opening service game than she did basically throughout the whole opening set.
Oh, okay. I am not going to serve to you again this way. That's what Martic is saying. It's a very fine margin between the two of them, and Halep was the one more aggressive in the first set. It's now Martic. That is what I call using the wind. You've got it. I mean, she went down the line, aimed in the alley with the shot down the line to make sure right here. Watch that shot. It's curving in the alley and coming back into the court, and then finishing with a drop shot.
Oh, outside of the line, good. Yes, indeed. Halep with a hole to love, serving brilliantly since being broken back in the second game. 20 of the last 24 points from the line, and this was using the conditions to her advantage. No longer being passive. This is a changed and rejuvenated Petra Martic. And that's long, and they'll go 3. Martic, tremendous rebound against the world #1. Cahill will come down. Martic feeling bright and cheery.
Well, Darren Cahill was right. Trust your backhand. He kept on saying it.
Advantage, Halep.
And here comes the kick as she's looking to race for the tape.
And the first time that you see such positive reinforcements for Halep after she won that point. Just gets so excited and pumped. Look at her reaction.
Game
4 for 4 in reaching the Final Four. And you should check for possible trending for hashtag #SemiSimona. Because all she does in 2018 is get to the last 4 or better. Improving to 18-1 in 2018, the world #1. Back in the winning column in Indian Wells and moving through. A sturdy performance when it mattered most. 6-4, 6-7, 6-3. Be the first it advanced to the semifinals.